We cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
There you go.
This is, get into this.
It's a rye-based starter.
Yeah, you can smell it, yeah. There is a reason, but we'll just leave it at there is a reason. Okay. Let her flower, let her flower, let her. Are we good? I could easily be a morning person, though.
Yeah.
If it didn't require getting up so early all the time.
Yeah, me too.
Here you go. At Trail Hub, we believe in farm-to-table dining, which means we get to work with a lot of local vendors who have great stories to share. And on this series, we want you to get to know them. So let's go. Who doesn't love a good sourdough, that artisanal bread that really makes a meal? We love serving sourdough to our guests at Nest, and we get it here at Bread Chubby. It's a tucked away bakery in Whitby, so I want to go inside, learn about sourdough bread, and learn about the owner's story. Let's go inside, it should be fun. Hey, Jonathan.
Eric, hey.
Good to finally meet you.
Yes.
We're here at the little tucked-in corner in Whitby called Bread Chubby.
Bread Chubby, that's it. You guys came out nice and early. It's fantastic.
Well, let's get to it. I want to learn everything you have.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Okay, Eric. Well, you know, part of coming into Bread Chubby is you got to keep the flour from yourself. So a little official Bread Chubby apron for you.
A little
while
Bread
we,
Chubby apron.
while we get
that.
involved. All
All
right.
right.
So what I do
You
is
flip it.
Yeah. So I put my hand underneath.
Yep.
And then you give it a little gentle tug and a little shake, and it'll fall into your hand.
And it just comes right out.
There you go. Perfect.
And there we go. And it's down. Same side or flip it again?
No, same side.
Yep, same side. Here we go. All right. Look at that. Look at that. It's like I've done it once before.
So it's very hot.
Oven, yeah, it's over. I see over 500 degrees, right? 500?
Yeah, we're 510 right now.
510.
So I will load them in. I'll shut the chamber, hit my bake timer, and then I'll hit steam. And this will create a good environment for the dough to rise.
There's got to be a big shift in mindset to go from what you did to what you do now.
I wasn't planning on turning, you know, my interest and my enthusiasm for baking dough into my career.
Right.
You know, this was a pandemic career for me because I lost my job. Yeah, so I started, you know, showing people how to make sourdough. Yeah, and that sort of launched my career, if you will, into bread.
You know, with Trail Hub trying to be farm to table and supporting local, I mean, I think that's a good connection to have as well. I mean, you've got a great supporter at Nest. I mean, it all part of being local.
Yeah, 100%. I'm, you know, blown away about the amount of support that I received. I didn't think this would be the outcome.
Right.
I'm so thankful that it is.
Yeah.
But I wasn't expecting it.
How many of those are you making in a week?
Just short of 1,000 on my busy week.
Wow.
You want to take some out?
Sure, we could give it a try.
Okay. Watch it, they like to slide off on you.
Uh-huh.
I'm like, no, you can make them high up.
Here we are.
When I first started, I used to stand on the, oh, we got a man down. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to eat that one. And then you gotta take the
5 out of 6. To be honest, this has been a great experience learning about it all, but in the back of my head, I kept thinking, am I gonna get to try some? So,
look at that, we happen to have a couple of loaves.
as a matter of fact, here we go.
My goodness.
Just out of watching it, I mean, it just smells so good, and you see the process, you want to see the finished product.
So
Look at that.
That's the loaf itself. Should we cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
There you go.
This is, get into this. The cheese and the onion, it's just right there, and the softness of the bread, it's definitely sourdough. Oh.
Yep.
I mean, kudos to you. I mean, just the entire story you've had, distributed. Obviously, we love serving the sourdough at Nest, and I'm sure all of the retailers love having it there.
Support from the Nest as well, from all my other vendors, and the general public about Bread Chubby bread has just been a blessing for me.
Well, I'm going to try to eat some more, but reserve, you know, try not to eat too much because this bread might make me chubby.
Chubby.
But I'm bummed.
That's right.
But yeah, great stuff, Jonathan. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
All these great local stories turn into great food items here at Trail Hub, so go to trailhub.ca and make a reservation at Nest or book a private event. We hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'm Eric Novak. Thanks for watching.